Up next on the channel, the Holiday Ornament Gift Exchange. Hello again everyone, my name is Misty Nicole with LadyPrefersToSave.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today's collab is an ornament exchange. It is hosted by April from The Simple Rugged Path and Lee from Creative 2X Mom. Both of their channels will be in the description bar below that you can check out after this video. Okay, let's dig in and see what came. The first thing is a card, so let's see who it's from. The snowman card. And it says, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Merry Christmas and best wishes for a blessed holiday season from Laura Spradlin. And Laura Spradlin is the awesome YouTuber from Sugar Bunny Boulevard. So I'm very excited that this is my exchange partner for this collab. And I'm really excited to see what Laura has sent. And also included is a little note from Laura that says, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Please excuse my lateness in having the package sent. I'm terrible procrastinator, just need to stop trying to get everything done that requires a deadline. Enclosed are the ornaments I've selected for you. Your questionnaire started with asking the theme of your tree, and homespun is one of my favorite words. I knit little mittens with that in mind. And it was with this yarn, and it was spun and dyed by a friend of mine in Vermont. Homespun also makes me think of vintage things, so it was very easy to choose a darling vintage looking, but not actually old angel, and having Snoopy as one of my favorite holiday characters made it require me to pick up a Snoopy ornament when I saw it. I love watching some of your videos and your money-saving themes on your channel. I'm looking forward to spending more time watching your channel and learning from your tips and experience. I hope my lateness with this package hasn't caused you any difficulty with your video planning. Enjoy the holidays, and I look forward to seeing the playlist of everyone opening your ornaments and showing them off. Sincerely, Laura. Thank you so much, Laura, and no need to explain the lateness, because if I wasn't already a victim of my own personal neuroses and OCD, then I would probably be late for everything too in life, so it is definitely not an issue for me, and I am super grateful that you are my partner and excited to dig in. And so digging in, the first thing in the box is, oh, is that not adorable? It's little knit mitten are so super cute. I actually had these as a child, and my family kept my mittens, so I actually have several of them on my own tree, so I'm excited to have something put in there. Thank you so much. That's really sweet of you to do. And the next thing is a Snoopy ornament. I love Snoopy. I don't know. I've always loved the animated specials, and so that is so super cute. Love that. And lastly, oh, how cute. A little angel ornament. Isn't that precious? I love the wings. It has some really great detailing and a little tree that is super adorable and really goes with my theme. Thank you so much, Laura. I love these ornaments. They are so adorable. And again, Snoopy and the angel and my mitten. They're so absolutely adorable. Guys, I am just beyond this, absolutely excited about them, and will definitely be putting on my tree today. Again, thank you so much, Laura. These are absolutely adorable, and whomever you get your box from, I hope that you are equally excited. Okay, friends, again, please be sure to check the description bar below so that you can see April and Lee's channel, as well as the wonderful Laura, who sent me this wonderful holiday ornament exchange box. Be sure to check out after this video the description bar below for the details of their videos. With that said, leave me a comment below and let me know if you're doing any ornament exchanges or what your favorite ornament is on your own tree at home this season. I'd also love it if you'd hit that little red subscribe button, turn on notifications, and be sure to come right back this week for more videos that will definitely be holiday themed and be worth your wait. With that said, please be kind to yourself and to others and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching.